taking a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom, with stops along the way in Frontierland and Fantasyland. Sit tight and keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs well inside the train. We're currently departing Main Street Station. And if you're missing those friendly faces already, not to worry. On this train, it's never goodbye. It's always see you real soon. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Friends, I'm so delighted you joined us today. There's nothing I enjoy more than showing folks around this Magic Kingdom, especially because it's certified proof that in these parts, dreams really do come true. See, there was a time, not so long ago, that I was just a young fella on Main Street with a balloon in my hand and a wish in my heart that someday I'd be the conductor of this train. And wouldn't you know it, with a bit of gumption and a dash of magic, here I am. So believe it when I say that around here, anything is possible. See what I mean? Hope you packed a compass, because that, folks, is the sound of adventure. AdventureLand, I should say. Whether navigating wild jungle rivers, swashbuckling with jolly buccaneers, or even just scaling a towering treehouse, there's always plenty to explore here in AdventureLand. Now, if you're more the rootin' tootin' type, then partner, saddle up, because this here's Frontierland. Home to cowboys, campfires, or country bears. This outpost is chock full of tall tales and an even taller mountain. Catch a ride on its runaway trains and you'll see why. On a more musical note, just ahead I heard some new critters are moving in and looking to make a splash. Take a listen. We're almost there. We've reached Frontierland Station, everyone, so sit tight. Hold those horses until you come to a complete stop. Even to disembark, please carry your strollers all the way off the platform before unfolding. That'll help make room for any new buckaroos. Watch your step now. This is Frontierland Station.
As we enter into the station, please remain seated until we get that all clear. Please remain seated, friends. Please remain all clear. There you go.
Howdy, folks. If you're just joining us, a hearty welcome aboard. We're heading for our next stop, Fantasyland, before carrying on to Main Street, USA. Everybody stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs safely inside the train. And as always, keep an eye on your little ones. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Those of you who've been riding with me for a spell already know how much I love minding this railroad. But for those times I'm fixing for something a bit wilder, Big Thunder Mountain is the place. Because there, the trains have a mind of their own.
Please make sure your feet and legs are completely inside of the train. Thank you. Please keep your feet and legs inside
untamed beauty. Folks, we're in nature's wonderland. Isn't it something? Just think of the extraordinary things to see and do in these woods. Hiking trails, bird calls, fireflies, and starry nights. Setting out for adventure at sunrise and telling the tale around a campfire that night. Considering how wonderful things are out here, I'm fortunate that some of my closest friends call it home. That village is a truly special place. Folks, we're just about out of the woods and into the forest. The enchanted forest of Fantasyland, where magic... Listen. Hear that?
There it is! On that big metal snake.
Peter, that's not a snake. It's a train.
Train, huh? Well, I think it's finally time I trained my shadow to stay put. Hey! Get back here, Shadow! Shadow!
Oh, Tinkerbell, we really must find some stronger friends.
Told you it's enchanted, and not just the forest. From the tips of castle spires to the sands under the sea, magic and happily ever afters await around every corner in Fantasyland. Friends, travelers, children of all ages, we're coming down the track and headed straight for the stupendous, the sensational, the spectacularific Fantasyland Storybook Circus. This is the place to soar with Dumbo, or join Goofy in his stunt plane for some airborne acrobatics. This station is also your gateway to the rest of Fantasyland and Tomorrowland. Now, please wait until the train has come to a complete stop. Gather your juggling pins, unicycles, and other belongings, and carry your strollers away from the platform before unfolding them. That way, we can start loading up for the next leg of our trip. For those disembarking, please watch your step, and thanks for traveling with us. I hope you join us again real soon. If you're staying aboard, our next stop is Main Street Station.
Hi there, friends. Please remain seated. It'll be safe to exit when you hear me say all clear, but until then, please remain seated.
Train waits for stop.
Remain seated, friends. Please remain seated. Please remain seated. And we're all clear. If you're exiting, please watch your head and step. And if you have a stroller, please keep it folded until you exit the platform.
Looks like we're on our way, and I'm so glad to have you with us. The next leg of our journey takes us to Main Street, USA. We'll head for Frontierland after that. Stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs inside the train at all times. Oh, and please keep an eye on your children.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Next up is a place that's always ahead of the curve. And not just because we're on a straightaway. Our metropolis of mechanical marvels, Tomorrowland.
It is kind of nice to be on the whole thing and get well, each did something we really wanted to do, and whatever else, that was our spot.
Hi there, folks. Just a reminder, please make sure all hands, arms, feet, and legs remain completely inside of the train. Thank you.
As you know, I love this railroad about as much as a songbird loves the morning. But I'm still awed by the rockets in Spaceport 75. The technology that...
Unidentified users detected in upload conduit area. Scanning. Calculating. Locomotive maintaining trajectory.
birthplace of boundless optimism, the possibilities are endless. You might say the sky's the limit, but even that is no obstacle in Tomorrowland.
Once again, my friend, please make sure all hands, arms, knees remain inside the train. To my friend in the fourth car towards the back of the tie-dye shirt, please make sure you are completely inside of the train.
I guess that was like the 5th time they announced who you are. Oh, yes, we didn't go on. Yes, we did. We went on them at Epcot. We just didn't go on the real one. Yeah, but I might have to do a little bit more running for the 10-milers.
Our trip around the Magic Kingdom is almost complete. I can't thank you enough for spending part of your day with me. And I hope you've enjoyed your journey as much as I've appreciated being a part of it.
Please keep your feet and legs inside the train. Thank you.
Treat USA.
Please supervise your children. To my friend in the third car with the black shoes, please keep your feet in the train.
Heading for
How
Frontierland,
difficult is it to keep
followed
yourself
by
inside the
a
train?
visit to Fantasyland.
Like your elbows
Stay seated until
Like if
our
your
train
elbows here
comes
on
to
the
a
side, I
complete
get
stop.
that. Like,
Then pick up your belongings and carefully disembark.
Not rocket
If you have strollers to unfold,
right?
please take them all the way beyond the platform so new passengers can safely hop
you would
aboard.
wonder why there are certain warnings, and then it's like,
And while we're being neighborly, what say we give our fellow travelers a friendly wave hello? This is Main Street Station, after all. Welcome to Main Street, USA.
Hi there, friends. Please remain seated. It'll be safe to exit when you hear me say all clear, but until then, please remain seated. Remain seated, friends. Please remain seated. Please remain seated on the train. There we go. We are all clear. If you're exiting, please watch your head and step. And if you have a stroller, please keep it folded until you exit the platform.